Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best headlamps for hunting on Amazon. A headlamp might not seem like a necessity for hunting, but you never know what you'll need once you spot the perfect prey. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Gearlight LED Headlamp. This headlamp is compact, but it packs a serious punch when it comes to illumination. Whether you're rifling through your gear or need to clearly see where you're headed, the super bright, premium LED light creates a brilliant beam. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, you'll get 45 hours of light on the low setting. You can adjust the beam's direction, and there are 7 lighting modes to choose from, including a red beam that's handy for night vision. The headlamp is comfortable to wear, too, weighing just 1.8 ounces and attached to a washable, removable, and adjustable band. When it comes to durability, this light delivers. It's weather-resistant and shock-resistant, drop-tested, and able to withstand water and other harsh outdoor conditions. The only downside to this headlamp is that its buckle is somewhat weak, but that doesn't affect the headlamp's overall efficiency. Number 2. Vecchia Ultra Bright Cree LED Headlamp. With 2 buttons and 5 different light settings, you'll get a white Cree XPE LED that shines at 160 lumens when on full brightness, plus a red LED light. You can pivot the beam's angle by 45 degrees, and you'll get a total light range of 262 feet. Whether you need to see what's near or far, this headlamp will have you covered with just the right amount of light. It's comfortable to wear, with a stretchy and soft band. The headlamp itself is also wonderfully durable for the outdoors, with an IPX6 waterproof rating and a long battery lifespan that lasts days, not hours. However, this headlamp's red light mode isn't very bright, so keep that in mind. Also, customers have said that the construction of the headlamp itself isn't of the best quality. Number 3. Energizer High-Powered LED Headlamp. Take your hunting light to new levels with the Energizer High-Powered LED Headlamp. It looks like any other headlamp, but thanks to Energizer's innovations, it does more and offers more specialized light settings. The headlamp features a super bright LED beam of light covering 80 meters and puts out 260 lumens. It can easily light up an entire campsite or less if needed. There are 7 different modes, including red light, that allow you to customize the illumination. You can also change the intensity of the light thanks to Energizer's smart dimming technology. With a long run time of up to 35 hours on 3 AAA batteries, you'll be able to go days without worry. And, of course, this headlamp is tough enough for hunting. It's constructed to withstand 1-meter drops, is built with a shatterproof lens, and has a water-resistant body. Number 4. Everbright Headlamp. No matter what you're doing while you're hunting, the Everbright headlamp will have you covered. This versatile headlamp offers more than mere white light. It includes 3 different light colors and 7 different lighting modes, giving you plenty of choices whether you're walking, stalking game, or scoping out the scene. Featuring 300 lumens of light at high power, this headlamp offers a beam of up to 328 feet. You can choose white, red, or green light depending on your needs, and the Cree XPG LED bulbs give you choices like high, medium, low, and strobe lighting. You can adjust the settings and modes as needed thanks to the 30-degree tilting light head on this headlamp. With a lightweight design and an adjustable, elastic headband, you'll also be comfortable in any setting, even when wearing this headlamp for long periods. Number 5. Nidiker LED Rechargeable Headlamp. The Nidiker LED Rechargeable Headlamp is a great option if you want a headlamp for hunting and other uses. It'll perform perfectly in many conditions, and it particularly excels in outdoor settings. It's suitable for hunting, running, camping, and even performing auto repairs in your garage. This high-performance, high-illumination headlamp is constructed with a Cree XPG3S3 LED light, which emits 550 lumens of light over a maximum distance of 136 yards. It offers multiple lighting modes, including specialty options like turbo mode, a location beacon, and a red auxiliary LED light that protects night vision. You can choose close-up illumination or flood illumination, switching and adapting as needed. Lightweight with a long-running battery, you can easily run, walk, and perform all kinds of tasks while wearing this headlamp. You'll barely notice it's on your head while you work. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.